this is it. The moment we have waited for has finally come. Not to an end, but the start of a lifetime. A lifetime with you.
I love the way your hair gets in your eyes.
Dumating ka nung panahon ready na ako. Ready na akong tumanda mag-isa, mag-travel paminsan-minsan, at mag-alaga ng madaming pusa. Shut ko no!
I can promise everything to you, Beth. Even my love for you will not be consistent. Love sometimes will fade. But one thing is for sure, araw-araw kita.
Our paths crossing again in a foreign land will always be my life's plot twist. Some may call it destiny or fate, but I would always refer to it as God's plan.
It's easy on days when it's hard. You don't have to be nervous. Just fall in my arms. My love is assured.
Gaya ng pagpili mo sa akin. Gaya ng pagpili ng Diyos sa akin para maging iyong asawa. I will be the best husband for you. Kasi yun yung deserve mo.
Maging mabuti kang asawa sa iyong asawa at sa iyong magiging mga anak. Yun lang. Saka lagi kayong mag-iingat. Basta nandito lang kami kung may problema. Dito lang kami.
Kung akala ko hindi na ako mag-aasawa, silang dalawa lagi nagsasabi sa akin, hindi. May katapat ka. And today is the day. I'm gonna marry the person destined to me.
On days when it's easy, on days when it's hard, you don't have to be nervous. Just fall in my arms. My love is a sure thing that you'll never lose.
Kayong dalawa, after 10 years, nandito na, ikakasal na. Alam niyo kung bakit blessing yon? Hindi kayo ikakasal dahil gwapo ka, Gerald. Hindi kayo ikakasal dahil maganda ka, Sarah Jane. Ikakasal kayo sapagkat this past 10 years, the Lord gave you so many blessings that those blessings were God's way of writing your story to finally become married today.
I swear that it's true. No matter what this life puts us through, I choose you. I do, I do, I do. I choose you. I do, I do, I do. I choose you.
Plano talaga ni Lord na ikakasal kayo. At it's also God's plan that you're going to be married to the person beside you right now. So the question is, why? Why is that God's plan? And the answer is, it is God's plan that you will get married to each other because this is your path to holiness.
I never thought I'd see this day, standing here with you. It could have gone so.
Red Bull, from now on, I vow to support and encourage you, to laugh and cry with you, to dream and plan with you, to work and hustle with you, to navigate for you when you feel lost, and to take on whatever life throws at us together.
And I'm giving you my hand now, and I'll be yours till the sun burns out, until our hearts are barely beating. I'm gonna stay right where we are until we're old and barely breathing, till death do us part. In the moment we locked eyes from across.
Sobrang happy kasi matagal ko na itong iniintay. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan ako anak. Habang nabubuhay kami ni Papa, nandito lang kami. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Yun.
And I'm giving you my hand now, and I'll be yours till the sun burns out, until our hearts are barely beating. I'm gonna stay right where we are until we're old.
for completing the last piece of my puzzle. Thank you for choosing me. And I'll always thank God for answering my prayers through Him. I love you, Bebo.
On and on, on and on, on and on, on and on.
I take pride on having the title engineer before my name. But I am idyllically happy now that I am officially your Mrs. De Luna. Mahal kita, Mr.
Gerald, you may now kiss your beloved wife. Mr. and Mrs. Gerald and Sarah Jane De Luna. Congratulations and God bless you. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Till death do us part.